The Catalonian tradition of building castells, or human towers, may have 18th century roots, but it remains a vibrant part of the region's cultural landscape. Today, it's performed by hundreds of local groups. Each session begins with sashes wrapped tight around waists for support. Then members lock arms to form the solid base. And then the layers of humans rise until the youngest Castells, the Enchaneta, climbs to the pinnacle and raises a hand. Only then is the tower complete. Music marks each stage of the tower. Each group has its own band, and the melody of El Toc de Castells guides climbers and signals everyone's turn. Careful now, don't wobble. Behind the spectacle lies endless preparation, late-night rehearsals, precise formation plans, and every member knowing their role. Not all towers manage to defy gravity, and accidents can happen. But the risk is what makes this all so enthralling. Castells are a lesson in trust, courage, and unity. Success depends on every person, the strongest, the smallest, the eldest, the youngest, all working towards a shared goal. And everyone having fragrant feet, we imagine. There's a Catalan saying about Castells, "Fent pinya, fas poble." In huddling together to make the base of the tower, you build a community. And when a tower stands, it tells a universal story. That with teamwork, balance, and belief in each other, we can all rise higher than we ever thought possible.